Hey everybody, this is Glenn Garnes with Village Connector Media and the Local Business Marketing Alliance. We've put together a series of videos to share with local business owners the things that they could be doing to market their businesses if they took just a little bit of time to understand where the opportunities are today. So the way that we are formatting these videos is that we're going to give you a marketing idea. We're going to explain to you the benefit of implementing the marketing idea. And then we're going to tell you the tools that you need in order to implement the idea. And in most cases, the tools that you will need are part of your membership with Local Business Marketing Alliance. In other words, we're creating the toolkit for you, and 90% of what you would need to implement what we're teaching you is something we are providing you as part of your membership with the Local Business Marketing Alliance. So in this video, we're going to talk about community building, creating your own lead system. And the reason that it's important for you to consider creating your own lead system is that most business owners are paying a premium to access the list of somebody else, whether it's a group buying company, whether it's a direct mail company, whether it's a radio station, a television channel, or a newspaper. You're basically paying over and over and over again to access somebody else's mailing list. Well, if you stop to think about it, if you understood the statistics show that it's easier for you to make a sale to someone who has already been your customer in the past than it is to get someone who's new to you for the first time interested in becoming your customer. So having a lead generation system that includes your existing customer base puts you in a position to amplify your sales, but it also gives you the same opportunity to grow your customer base using some strategies that we can teach you through the Local Business Marketing Alliance. So with that in mind, we want to see you stop having to pay a premium to access customers that are in your own local community. And so the strategies that we would share with you are such that you'd be able to minimize your expenditure for those types of things and maximize your interaction with people through your own lead generation system. So the tools that you would need in order to create your own lead generation system, they're very affordable and very easy to use. That means that you have a little bit of a learning curve, but that's why we're here, to make sure that you understand how to do some of these things. But it pays big dividends on the back end to take a little time on the front end to learn how to do some of this. So the first thing that you're going to need in order to create your own lead generation system is an email marketing account. That is a system that allows you to have a place for people to join your community, join your mailing list. They provide their name and their email address, and from that point forward, you have the ability to be in touch with them consistently. Now, we have another video that's going to talk about both email marketing and another one on text messaging. So I'm not going to go into detail about that in this video, other than to say that your lead generation system should include an email marketing system. And while a text messaging account is optional, it is highly recommended, especially in today's environment. You're going to find out more about that in the video on text messaging. I actually think that's the next video in this series. The other thing that you would want that's optional but highly recommended is social media profiles: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, some of those communities where the people who you're looking to be of service to hang out. And part of the email marketing system is going to include an opt-in form where people provide you their name and email address, and potentially an opt-in page where you actually have a place specifically for them to go to put their name and email address into the form. So with those tools and a little bit of planning and a little bit of learning, providing people with an incentive to join your list, you can be very effective in marketing, because you can now communicate with your mailing list community anytime you like. You don't have to worry about print deadlines or how much it's going to cost for you to run a group buying deal or run a newspaper ad. With a few button clicks, you can actually communicate a deal in seconds. And so this is why it's so important to understand the advantages to investing a little bit of time and a little bit of money in creating your own lead generation system. Now, as I said, we're going to talk in greater detail about email marketing and text messaging, and you're going to get an opportunity to see just how powerful it can be to plug into an organization like Local Business Marketing Alliance, where we not only teach you how to use these tools, but we provide most of them with your membership. So if you have questions about any of the topics that we discuss in these videos, please feel free to give us a call at 800-306-6488 extension 1. That's 800-306-6488 extension 1. I would be delighted to have an opportunity to answer your questions and to talk with you about how these tools would be applied specifically in your business and your industry, the way that you currently operate your business. So on behalf of Village Connector Media and the Local Business Marketing Alliance, I want to thank you for watching this video. Be sure to watch the videos that we have coming up, all the rest of the videos in the series. I think you'll find it to be worth your time.